Okay, everybody, welcome back. We're still on the videos of solving expressions. For these particular problems, we're going to be using exponents, and so they're kind of like exponential expressions. Okay, I would encourage you to pause the video right now and try these. Hopefully you have a calculator. I will be using a calculator on this, so hopefully that will give you some time in between problems. Hopefully we'll get these all correct. Let's go through them. Okay, for the first one, A, 7 to the first power. Well, it's kind of a trick. Sometimes it just is something to throw you off. You know that math does do that and tests do that, so might as well do that. Okay, so once again, if you were using your calculator on these, I'm going to kind of walk you through some of these. So I got 5 to the second power. Now that is 5 times 5, so that would be 25. If you are using your calculator on the Casio version, you should have a button that looks like this. X to the box. Okay, now X to the box on your calculator will give you two boxes. One looks like this and one like that. And so all you do is you plug in these two numbers and then hit enter. So plug in my numbers here, 25. Okay. Hopefully you didn't need the calculator on that one, but you might on this next one. So if you see something like this, this is half, so 1/2 to the third power. Now there is a way to solve these. We haven't gotten to that point yet, at least in my videos. You can use the exponent, and there's a rule that you can do with the exponent. You can multiply the top and then multiply the bottom. But for right now, I'm going to just show you the buttons with the calculator. So in order to do something like this, you need the button that looks like this. Okay, two boxes. So that'll give you that. You fill in the boxes, and then you press the same X with the square up in the exponent spot. And that'll give you a spot for your exponent. Plug that in right there. Is 1/8. Okay, so that's 2 times 2 times 2. All right. So 1/8 would be your answer there. And remember, it should look something like that if you're using your calculator. So now we're going to substitute in numbers into your exponential problems. All right, so once again, I have a z to the 5th. Now if you're looking at my video up here, you'll notice that, oh, well, there is no z. And sometimes, I've seen a couple problems like that where they will put in a random letter, and they're going to see if you're going to put in the wrong number for that letter. Right now we have nothing that equals z. So this problem basically is nothing. Can't do anything with it. All right. See, if you pause the video and you're going through those, got to slow down. Make sure you're getting them right. So now we're going to go with x. Substitute in the 2. Okay, so once again, you have your button here. Whoop. Push the right button. Button here, put in your 2 and put in your 3. Hit your answer, should be 8. Okay? All right, so k squared. We're going to substitute in 3 for k. So now that's 3 times 3, so that would be 9. All right? Now they're going to have exponents. Well, now they're going to have their variable in the exponent. It's just as simple as plugging it in just like we did. So 5, k was 3. So if we do this here, we're doing the same button. So we're doing the x squared. Okay? And then we're going to go to the third power. All right? So that is 125. So that's 5 times 5, right? So that's 25. And then times one more 5, so it's 25 times 5, so that's 125. All right, moving on to this last one here. We have 4 squared because of the 2. So that hopefully, if you know, it would be 4 times, right? Pulled my Dora move on you. 4 times 4, all right, that'd be 16. Okay, so there are some examples of using these in your exponents. We have used them in, we have done exponents in other videos, so if you are looking at those. Hopefully these make sense to you. If you have any questions, hopefully we can be able to get in contact with me. If you're in my class, if you're some other random student, I don't know how to get a hold of you, but we'll move on to the next video.